Hello everyone, this is Zubair and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show some basic tips for basic computer users who want to increase their computer drives or partition or who want to create new partition, right? So first let's try to increase the drive, right? So for increasing the drive we have to go to, like, for example, if my this drive get full or if my this drive get full, I can increase the drive because I have free space in both of drives here. So let's go to create and format hard disk. Basically, this is called disk management. Okay, now we are in disk management. Now we will shrink one drive and we will extend other drive, right? So let's calculate 1024 MB. We will do a shrink for 5 GB. Multiply by 5. 5120 MBs is equal to 5 GB. So 5120 MBs, hit shrink. After shrinking the drive, we will get unallocated space here. So now we have unallocated space here and we want to increase other drive. So let's try that. If we have extend option, see, we have extend option here to extend our D drive because we free up the space, we free up some space from E drive and we will increase 5 GB of D drive. Now we have 5 GB of unallocated space. So hit next, hit finish. Okay, now we have increased the D drive 5 GB. Like we get 5 GB free space from E drive and we move that space to D drive. Okay, so now let's say we want to create a separate partition. For creating a separate partition, you must have free space here in these drives. So you will be able to create a new partition. So it's very simple. Let's free up some space and create a new partition. So let's free up some space from D. I will shrink and, for example, I want to create a new drive of 10 GB. Let's calculate this 1024 MB multiplied by 10 is equal to 10240. So let's shrink the space 10240. Hit shrink. Now we have 10 GB of unallocated space. So let's create a drive of 10 GB now. Right click on unallocated space, go to new simple volume, hit next. Okay, 10240. Simple volume size. Okay, okay. 10240 MB is equal to 10 GB. Let hit next. Assign the letter to the drive. Let's assign it. Let's assign it a letter M. Okay. Next, file system. NTFS I will select allocation unit, I will select here default, and the volume label I will select new drive. Okay, format this drive volume using these options. Form a quick format. Let hit next. Let hit finish. Okay, I got a drive here, uh, here, and if you can see, it was formatting. That's why it was showing an exclamation mark, danger sign, right? Now I got a new drive here, and I can copy and paste thing, or I can use this storage. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and keep sharing my channel. Take care.